What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to import private key from your Bullx wallet and how you can go and export it to our Phantom wallet. To do this, the steps are really simple, and if you don't have your Bullx account, I'll provide a link in description. You guys can go and check it out from there. Now what we will do is we'll head over to this left side and this menu would pop up right here. We click on the wallet manager, and once you open up your wallet manager, here as you guys can see, my wallet was generated more than 24 hours ago, so that private key icon option is not available. So what we can do here is if we can create a new wallet. Now within 24 hours I'll be able to download its private key, just like that. On above you can see this icon popping up. We'll click on it, and from there we can easily download it. To download, we can simply click on this icon and this option would pop up. Simply click on the download button and save it somewhere safe. And once we have successfully downloaded our private key, we can go and open up its location like here, and we'll open it with Notepad just like that. And now as you guys can see on the left side, this is my wallet's address, and on the right side this is its private key. What we can do is we can copy this private key right here. We can head back to Google Chrome. I have my Phantom wallet extension right here. Let me just look into that. Now on the top left you can see your accounts icon. We can go and click on it, and at the bottom left we can see the settings icon. We will go to manage accounts, and here we'll click on this add or connect wallet. Here select the import private key option, and we'll name it our as Bullx, and we'll enter our private key. As you guys can see here, once you enter your private key, it will show you your wallet's address. You can now further click on import and our wallet would successfully be added, just like here. Well, that was it for today's video. I hope the video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.